Hello, my name's Lance, and thanks for watching my YouTube channel today, my painting channel. Today I'm going to try and create something with this. And this is just a mountain. See, it's an oval I purchased, and I put it on the back of this. I tape it to the back of this wood, and I want to. Took some black gesso. You can use whatever. Acrylic if you want. Gesso's supposed to be better, but this is just acrylic. I made a mountains and I put some stuff down here, so this will make it easier when I put foliage in. Maybe we'll have some water and go from there. But this will be you have that on there, that acrylic, and it's dry, or that gesso, and then it should work out pretty good. So we'll make a nice scene. I'm going to use some transparent colors today, so hopefully you like it and it turns out. So thanks again, and I'm going to move the camera and get started.